Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts in previous classes
No,
about
sir. There are no
previous
doubts.
concepts? Yesterday, Mohammed and Ganesh, two
Yes,
people
sir.
attended the classes. That's it. So quickly, I will revise yesterday's concept.
Sir, you had told yesterday class is not there.
Hello. Yesterday I discussed only a small concept. I will revise it. No problem, okay?
Okay.
And I, and I mentioned in the Q talk also about class. Yesterday we have discussed identifier rules or rules of identifier. Before that, we have discussed how to create variables and multiple variable creation. We have discussed it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and in yesterday's class, I discussed about rules of identifiers. Uh, Before going to discuss about it again, why we need to go for this rules of identifiers or identifier rules. Yesterday I took one example like Muhammad is having interview tomorrow. Will Muhammad goes however he want?
No, sir, I have to go in formal only.
Yeah, Muhammad will follow some rules. In a similar way, whenever we want to create any variable, we need to follow some rules. That rules are called as identifier rules. First, what is identifier? See, here I took two variables a equals to 10, b equals to 20. And how I am identifying this 10 and 20 with these names. A. A is a name, variable name. I gave A as my variable name. And I am identifying this 20 with this name B. B is variable name. So, how we need to define identifier is it is a name with which we can identify variable or function or class. These two concepts are uh, advanced concepts. We will discuss these concepts in future classes, okay? Or one more definition is identifier is a name given to variable or function or class. See, here I gave A as a variable name. Here A is identifier. How I am identifying this value with this name? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And here I told two more points. One is all variables are identifiers, but all the identifiers are not variables. Why? Because in identifiers we have functions and classes also. See, all apples are fruits, but all the fruits are not apples because in fruits we can have some other type also. Similar way in identifiers we can have functions and classes also. So all the identifiers are not variables, but all the variables are identifiers. If anybody wants to take this, take.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Wait a second. Yeah. Tell me, Prathamesh.
Sir, you said that you will share the syllabus in the Q-top, but send it forward, I think.
Okay, Prathamesh, I will share.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. Shall we move to the next concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can move.
Yes.
Yeah. I told you whenever we want to. What? Hello? Anybody is having any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. I told you, like whenever we want to create any variable, we need to follow these rules, identifier rules. Now we will see that rules. The first rule is identifier should not be a keyword, or keywords should not be used as identifiers. This is the first rule. See, I created like this previously. You tell me whether A is a keyword? No. So it will allow. Tell me any keywords. You know about keywords, right? Tell me. If yes. If take if. I cannot give 15 to if. Not only if, take any keywords. Take any keywords. We cannot give keywords as a variable name. Why? Because you know about keywords, right? Tell me what are keywords?
Keywords are like predefined values.
Predefined.
Functions given to
Keywords are universal standard words whose task is predefined, means it is fixed
yeah.
by developers. See, the task for keywords is fixed, right? But we are trying to store 15 to this if keyword, means we are trying to assign new task. Storing this value 15 is a new task, right? We are trying to give new task for these keywords, but the task for keywords is already fixed. So because of that, it will throw error. Means keywords should not be used as identifiers. Here I took a equals to 15. A is not a keyword, it is allowing. See, whenever I took A, it is giving error. And not A, and is a keyword. And take any keywords also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the first row. And the second rule is identifier should not start with digit. Digit in the sense number. See, I cannot create a variable like this. And guys, what are all the rules that we are discussing? These are identifier rules. Means these rules are for variables and functions and for classes also. Because functions and classes also identifiers. See, creating variable like this will throw error. Why? Because in mathematics generally, whenever we create like this, what we will do? We will assume like this. Like this we will do, right? In the same way here also, it will create confusion for interpreter. Whether we have to store directly 2b equals to 14, or we need to do calculation like this and we have to store b equals to 7. It will create confusion. So because of that, it is not possible. Are you getting? Yeah, but we can have number in between. means this is 2 guys. I can have like this. In middle I can have. In the middle in the sense not exactly at the middle. Anywhere. I can create like this. This is the second rule. See, it is throwing error. See, but I can have number in between, in the middle. This is the second rule. Take these 2 points. Shall I continue? Yeah, moving to the next rule. Third rule is identifier should not contain space in between or at the beginning as well. Or at the beginning. See, We cannot have space at the beginning or in between. Consider this is space. This box is as a space. I cannot create variable like this. Means space at starting then followed by variable name. We cannot create like this. And
Can we
space
have
is in
space
between
at
also.
last, sir?
Yes, we can have. Like this, at last we can
Okay.
give space. Why? Because if I give space like this first, interpreter will assume that this is the end of the variable name. It will not consider this a what? No. But at the ending, it will allow space like this. But giving yeah, in the, here it will not give any error. Space at the end, it will not give error. Space at the beginning and in between, it will give error. Yeah. We have a concept called indentation. Giving space is like indentation. This concept we will discuss. So, space at the beginning and in between will give error. But we can have space at the end. Hello? Mohammed, mute yourself, Mohammed. Yeah. This is the third rule. See. Here first I took variable name A and then I am giving space. It is accepting. Space at the end it will accept. But space at beginning it will throw error. Indentation error. And space in between also it will throw error. Moving to the next rule, that is fourth rule. Identifier should not contain any special character. Any special character other than underscore. This is the fourth point, fourth rule. See, tell me any special character. You take any special. No, no, no. True, false, none can be passed as a value for a variable, but we cannot take true, false, none as a variable. Yeah. See. Muhammad, see. I, true. It is giving error. Yeah. Means we cannot take any keyword, whether it may be special keyword or normal keyword, we cannot take. Yeah. Uh, if you take any special character like star, hash, these are the special characters, right? We cannot use these special characters as an identifier. Not only single character. We cannot use in between also. Why? Because each and every special character will be having specific functionality. Like consider star. It is having a specific functionality. What star will do? It is used for multiplication. And asterisk is used for commenting purpose. And percentage is used in case of division. Guys. So we cannot use these special characters in identifier as a variable, but we can use underscore because underscore is not having any specific functionality in Python. Except underscore, each and every special character has its own functionality. We can use this underscore alone itself as a variable, and we can use with any other characters also, like this. Say I will execute. I'm using as star. See error, it is giving error. In the same way, asterisk also. But I can take underscore. In between also I can take underscore. Understood? Yeah. Take these 2 points. What about others? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, take these 2 points. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, moving to the next rule, that is fifth rule. Till now, we have discussed what are all the things that cannot be used as identifiers. You may ask, like, sir, what can be used as identifier? Now we can see. We can use alphabets, alphanumerics, or underscore as an identifier. Alphabets in the sense both uppercase and lowercase. And one more thing is, while creating, if you use uppercase, while calling also you have to use uppercase because Python is case sensitive. See, I created variable uppercase A, but I am calling with lowercase a. Here it is giving this A. Are you getting? See, I will remove this cell and I will take new cell. See, it is giving error. Means A is not defined. Lowercase a is not defined. We created variable with uppercase A. Both uppercase and lowercase alphabets can be used as an variables. But while creating and while calling also, we need to use same case. And we can use alphanumerics. Alphanumeric in the sense combination of alphabets and numbers. Is here combination of alphabets and numbers in the sense we need to follow this second rule. Means first we cannot give digit number. Like this we cannot give again. Combination in the sense like this. Like this. Are you getting? And underscore. We can use only underscore. And also combination with alphabets or combination of these three. Like this we can use. Only alphabets possible. Alphanumeric is also possible. Only underscore possible. Combination of all three. Understood? Hello. Yeah. These are all the five rules that we need to follow while creating identifiers. Identifier in the sense variable, function, class, anything. While creating functions and classes also we need to follow these rules. Not only for variables. And we have one standard rule. This is not mandatory rule. This is not mandatory rule. Means if you are not following this rule also it will not throw any error. But as it is an industrial standard rule, we need to follow this rule. What is that rule is as a variable name, as an identifier. Variable in the sense identifier, right? We have to use only 72 characters. Up to 72 characters only. If you are not following this rule also, it will not throw any error. See. It is more than 72, right? It will not throw any error. But as it is a standard rule, we need to follow. It will allow up to 72. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now take this points.
Hello, sir.
What? Any doubts?
Sir, in second rule,
Yeah.
identifiers should not start with digit or number, but we can have number in between, right, sir?
Yeah.
And we can have number at the end also, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Sir.
See. Here I took number at the end only, right?
Yeah. So I'm asking, sir. I just had doubt on that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Take these last 2 points.